Hey, this is 12 o'clock, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. This week we're talking about fork seals. I was doing this set and I thought I'd share this tip with you. When you go to put the new seal on, you're gonna have to slide it down over the tube like this. And there's a chance that this edge right here can tear the seal. So what we want to do is put a little strip of electrical tape around there, just like this. So about halfway up, just bring it on around, and whether you use the trick from before or you cut it off, be sure to cut it off clean, or it'll be hard to get the seal down over the tape. And just kind of roll it in a little bit. And then we take the seal, and I did put a little bit of lube on the seal itself. And then as we put it down over there, there's no sharp edges to be torn on. So there we go. So now you can safely get the seal down, bring it on down, and this one's ready to drive in. So there you go, guys. Just a little trick with electrical tape that helps you not tear your seal by using the tape to create a softer edge. Well, this is 12 o'clock. And remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.